same as before, just go straight, follow the jungle park trail, keep on going, then we'll turn to the left a little while later. Okay, let's go this way. Go down to the little stream. Okay, just turn. Go straight, go down to the stream. We have go down to the stream. This is where we go to Bukit Tis. Okay, so now, as before, we go down to the stream. Okay, we turn left to the stream, going straight to the Blue Lake. This one to the Pondok. Okay, so today we're going shortcut to the UA Waterfall. Okay, keep going, follow the stream. Okay, when you reach a junction, do not go to the right. There's a mini road on the left hand side. We just go here and then we turn up in a little while. So shortcut here, this way. See? Just go out here just to where the Ratu is. Okay, go straight, you go to Ratu Waterfall, to UA Waterfall. We turn left. Okay, bye bye. And you reach a junction. See, we came in from here just now. Left, then we just go up along this road here. Okay, this is a shortcut to UA Waterfall. Don't go straight, go up. Okay, keep on going up. Reach another junction here. So we turn to the right. Okay, you reach a road here. You see the marker here. Just go in this way. Okay. So you see another marker. Then we have to go down. You reach the UA Waterfall. Very near there already. So another marker I tied that day. Okay. Then we have to go down. Go down this way. See, follow the marker. Okay. Go down all the way. We can hear the waterfall already. Okay, see, go down here. You can see another marker here. Okay, just go down. Keep on going down. Waterfall is down there. Once you see the marker again, keep on going down. Okay, a bit dangerous here, so you are not up to it. Don't come this way. Okay, successful. Okay, see, going down. You see the marker? Can hear the waterfall getting louder and louder. We reached the big rock already. The waterfall is there. Can you see the waterfall? Yeah, beautiful waterfall. So successful mission today. Okay, the big rock here. We are at the Sri Alam big rock, with the biggest rock in Sri Alam, and the waterfall, UA Waterfall, is over the side. Here we are, UA Waterfall once again. And